Hello kids, today we will study chapter number 18. The book is The Blue Planet, EVS class 3, chapter number 18, Air and Water. So, stopping air and water pollution is the best solution. As we know, knowledge mapping air, uses of air pollution, water, a wonderful liquid, water cycle, uses and the properties of water and water pollution. Air is present all around us. It cannot be seen but can only be felt. It is a mixture of gases. ये gases का mixture है, such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium and argon. All living things need oxygen to breathe, and a plant requires carbon dioxide to prepare the food and the nitrogen for the growth. So all we living things need oxygen to breathe, but the plants needs carbon dioxide to prepare the food, and for their growth is nitrogen. So air also contains water vapors, dust particles, smokes and germs also. So here we can see diagrammatically also that 78% of our atmosphere is full of nitrogen, means the highest amount of the air is nitrogen, and 21% is oxygen, and the 1% is other gases and the water vapors. Next page, uses of air. Air is the main reason for the life on the अर्थ. एयर जो है वो मेन रीजन है लाइफ अर्थ पर पॉसिबल होने का, एंड वी ऑल नीड एयर टू ब्रीथ. एयर इज यूजफुल इन मैनी वेज. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स डिपेंड्स ऑन ऑक्सीजन इन द एयर टू जनरेट एनर्जी. एयर प्रोवाइड्स अ मीडियम फॉर द साउंड टू ट्रेवल. साउंड जो है वो एयर का एक मीडियम है जिससे साउंड ट्रेवल होती है, एंड विदाउट एयर वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू हियर एनीथिंग और प्रोड्यूस एनी साउंड. सो साउंड को सुनने के लिए, साउंड को प्रोड्यूस होने के लिए एयर एक मीडियम चाहिए, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन ड्राइंग क्लोथ्स, एंड इट इज फिल्ड इन द टायर्स ऑफ द व्हीकल्स दैट अनेबल्स देम टू मूव. डेफिनेटली वी नो दिस कि टायर्स में एयर फिल की जाती है जिसकी वजह से मूवमेंट पॉसिबल है व्हीकल्स की. एंड एयर इज यूज टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बाय मूविंग द ब्लेड्स ऑफ द टर्बाइन ऑफ द विंड मिल्स इन द फार्म. मीन्स टू जनरेशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वी यूज एयर. And air is essential for the burning के लिए भी जरूरी है. And aerated drinks contains carbon dioxide. We usually use the aerated drinks. Carbon dioxide given out from the plants during the respiration process, and has the tendency to capture the heat from the atmosphere. Plants take up the gas during photosynthesis and keep the air cool and fresh. So when our clothes catch fires, we are told to run, but lie down, the roll on the ground. Why? Because उसमें supply of the air जो होती है वो हम cut कर देते हैं to roll out on the ground, and if the air supply will cut from the fire, आग अपने आप बुझ जाएगी. So this is the main point. And air pollution. Air pollution is caused when harmful gases, dust and smokes enters the atmosphere and make it dirty. Air pollution तब होता है जब harmful gases, dust particles and other harmful things enters into our air. And the dirty air is harmful for the plants, animals and humans also to survive, because we use air to breathe. So causes of the air pollutions are, some of the factors that causes the air pollution as follows: smoke emitted from the factories, houses and vehicles, बर्निंग ऑफ वुड एंड गार्बेज में से को जलाना, लकड़ी को जलाना, उससे जो धुआं निकलता है उसकी वजह से एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. एंड डंपिंग गार्बेज इन द ओपन स्पेसेस. ओपन में अगर हम कूड़ा फेंक देंगे. कफिंग एंड स्नीजिंग रिलीजेस जर्म्स दैट मिक्सेस विद द एयर टू स्प्रेड द डिजीज. सो कफिंग एंड स्नीजिंग, इसकी वजह से भी जर्म्स निकलते हैं. दैट्स वाई वी यूजली आवर मदर सेज टू यूज द हैंकीज व्हाइल यू आर कफिंग और स्नीजिंग इफ यू आर इन केस ऑफ that, because the germs जो release होते हैं वो air में जाते हैं, and also they can harm to the any other person also. Ways to keep the air clean. So some of the ways to keep the air clean and the healthy as follows. Plant, हम air को किस तरह से clean कर सकते हैं? Plant more and more trees. Avoid burning things such as garbage, crackers, wood. Vehicles must be regularly checked for the pollution control, and construction of the factories and industries must be away from the residential and the polluted areas. They must be fitted with the tall chimneys. Dispose garbage is a covered bins. हमारे bins जो है घर में भी covered होने चाहिए. And use a handkerchief while coughing and sneezing. We already discussed that. Water, a wonderful liquid. Water is colorless, odorless, tasteless liquid. Colorless, कोई color नहीं है इसका. Odorless, कोई smell नहीं है इसकी. And tasteless, कोई special taste नहीं है इसका. and we can survive without food for a few days, but not without water. Now, rain is the main source of water on the earth. Water is found of oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds and streams. Some of the rain water seeps into the ground and forming the underground water, and water is drawn out from the wells से, ट्यूब वेल से एंड हैंड पंप से जो वाटर है वो बाहर निकाला जा सकता है, and we can use that water also. So water exists in the three forms: solid, liquid and gaseous. So solid is ice, water, and is liquid and water vapors, gaseous form. All these forms can be converted into the other. एक से दूसरे में वो इंटरचेंजेबल है, वो हो सकता है हीटिंग और कूलिंग प्रोसेसेस से. नेक्स्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वाटर साइकिल. So this is a diagram of the water cycle. This is very important. Evaporation and the condensation are the two processes that plays a vital role in our nature. Evaporation is the process by conversion of the water into the water vapors due to the heating, and others on the other side, condensation is the process of the conversion of the water vapors back into the water due to cooling, and these two processes takes place during this water cycle. We can see here that these are the water in the water bodies, and due to the heat of the sun, evaporation process takes place here, and water becomes water vapors and goes in the sky and in the clouds, and then when it cools down, it comes on the earth in the form of rain. So again, this process will be repeated here. The evaporation process takes place and condensation of process takes place. So this is very important water cycle. We must know how to draw this, and we must know these processes. Water evaporates from the surface of the water bodies such as ocean and the seas, and due to the sun's heat and forms the water vapors. These water vapors rises in the sky, as we already discussed. On reaching higher, they cool down and condense in the form of tiny droplets that collects in the dust particles, and these dust particles joins together to form clouds. When these clouds becomes very heavy with the water droplets, they fall down as the rain that flows back into the water body or on the earth. So in colder areas, water in the clouds freezes and falls down as snow. This process is continuous in nature, is called the water cycle. This is very important. Next is the uses and the properties of water. So uses of water. We need water in the various uses: drinking, irrigation. Irrigation is सिंचाई करना, plants में, पौधों में पानी देना. Cooking, staying healthy, bathing, generating electricity, washing, and the recreational activities such as swimming. This is recreational activity, and swimming, boating, rafting, in सब में water use होता है. And the properties of water. Some useful properties of the water is listed below. It is the universal solvent. Universal solvent means इसमें सब चीजें घुल जाती है, आसानी से घुल जाती है. And it can dissolve large number of substances into it. And such substances dissolved in the water easily is called the soluble substances. जो substances completely इसके अंदर घुल जाते हैं, they are called the soluble substances. For example, salt, sugar, soaps, milk powders. Now, second, stones, oil, chalk, powder, and sand are the some substances that do not mix with water. So such type of substances we can say insoluble substances. You must know the difference between the soluble substances that can easily soluble in the water and insoluble substances that cannot be easily soluble in the water. So soluble and insoluble, you must know the difference. Next, also learn a few of example of the soluble substances and the insoluble substances also. That may come in the exams. So water is colorless, odorless, tasteless liquid. We already studied this. कलरलेस, कोई कलर नहीं है, odorless, कोई स्मेल नहीं है, टेस्टलेस, कोई स्पेशल टाइप का टेस्ट नहीं है. Still, it's necessary for us. Water has no fixed shape. It takes shape of the container it is poured into. Water pollution. Now, water pollution, when the different water sources gets dirty due to the human activities such as washing clothes, bathing animals, defecating near water bodies, and throwing the garbage into the factories and from the factories and houses, and this is called the water pollution. So the harmful things that makes the water dirty are called pollutants. Consumption of the dirty polluted water causes diseases such as cholera, diarrhea and typhoid. This is very important. This may come in the exam, that what type of the diseases we can sick from, we can be fall ill in the case of water pollution. That is very harmful for us. And the controlling water pollution, we all can make the efforts to control or reduce the pollution. Do not wash clothes or the animals and do not urinate, defecate near the water bodies. Do not lay water pipes and drainage pipes side by side. Leaking drainage pipes can pollute the drinking water also. And the water from the industries must be treated before discharging it into the water bodies. So this is very important chapter. Here are some key terms: air pollution, mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and the air to making it dry, odorless, without any smell. Evaporation is the process of changing the water into the water vapors on heating, and on the other side, the condensation is the process of changing of the water vapors into the water on cooling. This is very important, very easy too. So the next is water cycle, a continuous process of the conversion of the water into the vapors and then again into the water. Soluble substances, that substance dissolve in the water very easily. Insoluble substances do not dissolve in the water very easily. And pollutants, harmful substances that causes pollution. Now the chapter is completed and you will get definitely its extra additional questions. Thank you.